Hello, miss. Hello, look at the face, you know. Yeah. Walk with them to the town.
Hello. Because it's all beautiful. One come here after then have it. And then have it. You don't pretty young, you don't talk about school and take you for education again. I get one nice word.
Who fry yourself?
I'm too much work at you. I follow the program and stand nice shape.
So this is a video yeah, for the dolly them, you know? Yeah, the dolly them. Well, make sure so them hairstyle always up there. Them always in line with them friend. They always in a competition. Them look better than other people and all these things. Dolly, on the needs to get on the priorities right. Get on the priorities right. Get a job, you understand? And practice independency. It's very good. Because it's when you practice independency that are going to motivate you for always stay up on top of your game and don't watch the noise of the market. Yeah, man, your time I come, man. See there? Everything depends on camera now. Everything, at least right now, if something wrong with you and you drop down, the first thing people are the first, they might video you. They might video you and give you the next hand. But just know say it get catch on camera. Even if they might help you same way. So what I do? I hope this video can be an example to others. Because just like how we have the bed bug them, the male bed bug them, we have the female bed bug them same way, you know. And as some of you know, same way, I cause so much crime and violence in the country. Because you know, send the man them a road. You know, motivate the man them to go a road. Yeah, man, my dolly want do her hair. My dolly want enhance her leg, breast, thigh. I want to name it. So me have to touch road. Me have to do what me I do. Make sure my dolly alright. Yeah, man, see there? This happened in a Port Maria and St. Mary. Yeah, dolly them go the thief and them catch them and see the outcome. Share to a friend and share to the bed bugs them. So that means say them can know what go on and see say embarrassment out here for them. Yeah, man. Anyway, moving on right now because appear things are going on. Make sure so you like and share the video. It is very important. And if this is your first time to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Watch the ads them. Don't skip your ads them.
Ajay! Watch there! Load that! Yo, straight there you go! Blood clot! force me witness to come ballad. Yo, me catch you, me catch me inside. Yeah. Hey, me a big. Yo, everything watch out, boat come on. Watch out. Why? What? Where kuni boat there? Where? Ni bomba. Yo, hold on there, man. You don't see everything gone, so. Why? Watch it. And the first thing you see this pussy, hey, alright, watch out over there, so. Oh, stop. Blew up. Alive. And the end there is so fast, man. Eh? Watch out! Oh, stop! Blew off, bro! Come get Jagan! Blew a turn here, yes?
Bumbo clad, a sign. I see you a sitting going, man. Bombard. Look what me carry, a good thing not Japan. Bombard. Watch your whole Gloria cook shop, guy. Bumbo clad. Yo, this mother, this star murderers. Yo, this mother, this star murderer. Watch it. Watch your shop top there. Missy run now, see. Come back to Gloria shop top. Yeah, the whole of that shop again.
So that go on Lucy Hanover yesterday. Yeah man, it's a water sprout. But you know, we Jamaican, yo, we just gonna say a tornado, you know. But the difference with tornado come with a lot of lightning and strong and all these things. And we can call it a freak storm, same way and things. So, boy, these are signs of the time right now, JY family. Wanna talk to me down in the comment section. Yeah man, you know say there is a man above that is mightier than us, you know. Yeah, there is a supreme being. Whether you know and believe yes or no, yeah man, you can't control that. Yeah, there's a man that control the whole universe. And when him say, yo, a time, you know, you don't see a time, you see me? Anyway, moving on right now.
Yo, it's something last night I sent Thomas, you know, right on my workplace on the plaza entrance, this energy. I know, tell you the truth, me that try pull him out of the vehicle, but to the lick when get on film side, him pinned down in the vehicle, G. And the fire blaze on me and try to pull him out. Him now come out, general. Me have to stand up and watch the man and burn to death, G. Remember me tell you, rough your fed, G. Me tell you, so I know it up on my brains. The man me have to couldn't do nothing. Cause the door me I try to pop off, general, and the door nah budge. And at the same time if me even pop off the door and still couldn't come out cause him pinned down underneath the dashboard. Yo, yeah man, see me right there, so him that the door there, so cause in hand alone, but me don't know, G, me don't know, hot your fetch, but me have to stand up there watch him and burn to death, general. Remember me tell you, hand me and pull him in, nah budge, just when them cut him out. You know long them take to cut him out because he put them pin down and they tell you say yo the left side get leaking. But me tell you, say it get leak, you know, man. It get leak, you know. And one wall, the man running one column side, you know. And the side we get leak on the column and I hit broke, you know. And the next side of the column broke, you know.
Drivers. Alright. That's all I can say right now. Because when I listen to me only can call on the name right now. When I hear what the person say, the man never get a chance. The gentleman never get a chance to go a doctor. Just see what them can do on him. Never get a chance. He was trying his best. He was trying his best to get him out. But when him say, look here, anyhow in the move, him I go meet him demise too. Him have to cut left him. John was star. Drivers, on a need to protect yourself on the road. Drive for others. Boy, if you see the video, you don't say something different. With that person explain in a voice note, and it's no joke, me I telling you. 775-378-1640. Me I go send the video in my WhatsApp group. Yeah, so this happened in St. Thomas last night. Boy, everybody are mourning. This young man was a well-loved young man. I get to understand. Yeah, man. But as the gentleman say, him did it and him couldn't help. So JY family, live action go on in Westmoreland, in Negril to be exact this morning. Yeah, bed bugs and police officers and confrontation. Guys, I get to understand that the bed bug them drive all the way from their area. I get to understand that they don't know the area, but them just know say them come for rob one of the beryllium transit vehicle them, but them never know say the police them I watch them long time. The police them get tip off and the police them work based on their suspicious activities. Check out the voice note, and when you come back, we are going to give you the official report.
Why you saying that?
No, then say a police did a troll them because they come down and nigger if they do some crimes and whatever. I don't know how they get the information there. And the police drive them down. But it seems like them don't know the area, so they drive off the car in the water. Thing instead, I know say 3 of them dead and they in the water, then just take them out. And one of them must surrender. But about 10 guns, but about 10 AK, then take out their car. Some crime then come down here to do.
Don't want to serve JY family. Me I go give you the full info right now. 3 suspected robbers were reportedly killed and another 2 seriously injured in an alleged car attack in close proximity to Burger King in Negril, Westmoreland this morning. According to reports, the robbers, who are believed to have traveled to the location in several vehicles, were seemingly about to attack a cash in transit vehicle when they were accosted by a police team. The men reportedly challenged the police ensuing car attack. 5 of them were canned, and I quote, "We cannot declare them dead. That is the job of a doctor," a police source told the Gleaner. However, based on my observation, I can unofficially say 3 of them are deceased and 2 have transported to hospital with serious injuries. So, you up to the doctor them you know to do the rest. Yeah, man. Yeah, me know. Oh, Jay, why you're not professional? Me I go unsubscribe. Me not like how you talk. Me not like how you do things. Hey, you think I thought them a man I come for talk when them a come for you and your family? The doctor them now go do what me say. You see me? But I just wishful thinking. I mean I hold my mouth and talk. Yeah, man. Doctors, help the police officers. 1-800 get rid of bed bugs. That we say. Who not like it? bite it. Anyway, 775-378-1640. I go send everything what go on down negril in a me WhatsApp group. Yeah man, and big up to the police officers. Listen to me, ladies and gentlemen, if you have a son, daughter, side chick, main chick, husband, anybody in the JDF or the JCF, just blood them up right now. Because them money, as usual, they might get their hand pass on massive, huge weapon of destruction. Trust me. Oh boy. Anyway, today is going to be a busy day. Me soon come back. Stay tuned. A whole heap of things me have to cover. Put everything in one video. I don't want to spam you guys and you guys miss some of the most important updates that you need to see. Alright? So stick around. We'll be right back. Hold on, JY family. Give me a second. Just as me about to leave, me get some more information regarding the shooting. No, see the boy them idea, you know. Yeah, I remember earlier me I said them don't know the area. The boy them know the area. See there? See Simit forward from Kiev district, Kiev PO, Westmoreland. Yeah. And then you have A Forest from Geneva district, Grangeville, Westmoreland. But me soon forward again. Because as we go along, I don't know say the full details will reveal.
Yes, so guys, I'm about to tell you one story time now about how one of my friend did end up of 2 man and it made me nearly lose my life. No, you true them no say. You should me no want nobody to hear me come way up in the bush to come tell you no. I'm not gonna use her real name if me do happen to mention her. Me know say bush have ears but we take my chance on the bush. So one day I decide to one of my friends said me to come look for her. You know, so me drive go down her yard. You know, sometimes saying drive go down her yard which part she live in a Kingston, but me not name the place. Cause you know me know people narrow down the story. So me drive go down at the girl yard, me go look for the girl. Me and the girl a good friend and we sit down there, we a chat. And she said to me, say, she go somewhere, me for follow her. So me say, alright, so me park my car in a fair yard and then figure say no I want taxi. You understand what I'm saying? She a go take and go about where she a go. When me look people, me realize that one man come for her. When me look, me realize that she a talk to the man. When me look, me realize that the man that she a talk about, a one man that she did meet her. She have a good boyfriend already. What the two we know about, you know. A good man. So a good man, no a female head no good, you know. A good man never know no. So she have that the man. So me say to myself, say, Jesus and peace, what kind of problem this a girl I want put me in a people. So me decide say, no, so me not gonna away with her because me not able. Anyway, me come from out of the bush look a bit people and come the environment not seem so bad. Alright, so alright, when you go down look a bit. So yeah, I go up on the wall so right to some I catch people. So anyway, when you come closer cause I'm gonna read one woman that does such a fast say I'm gonna read one she thing there. Anyway. So people, me didn't know, me said to the girls, so cause it's like me said to myself, so our boyfriend have a way for always call me when he not hear from she. So me don't want to tell no lie people cause me is a girl, me don't love tell lie. Me go up in a Christian home and me don't love tell lie. So God them me don't love tell lie. So me said to myself, so what me I go do? So me said to her, say, drop me up on my bridging. Me have one bridging and live up the road. And me tell her to drop me up on the bridging and live up the road. Cause me say if anything when me the up on my bridging, well live up the road and me know say I go call me and him ask me where she there. If me tell him so me don't know where she there, then him you understand me now, I end up telling no lie. Anyway, so said so done him call me, I don't know where she did. Long story short, she go everywhere the man, me don't know where she go. She come back, then pick me up, then I go drop me now back at the house because she go a fair house. You understand? People, when me reach at the gate, no people that I remember say the man no come back and pick me up from where my friend there, you know. You understand what I'm saying? That I'm my other friend, you know, I know me I go home with my man, with my friend, my female friend, I have the 2 man. We drive now, the youth drive and pull up our gate. It was a 2-door car, people. The youth drive now and pull up our gate. The girl there they talk. Even in my mind she knows says a madman she there with you. I don't know why she there at the gate attack. Why she not just go in? Me just well want come out of the situation, people. You understand? Anyway, they know people. Me hear she said to him say, you still gonna come inside for the fish? She asked me if he's, because I said she go on very nice, like she can't talk. When there's a good girl, I go see the story, but me never call any him good to say, I can't vex. All you do, don't come out of the comments box, say them, no, you good there. Anyway, yeah, me tell the people, just here, Anna, you still coming inside for the fish? Hear me, my man, with the girl here, but talk to the man about fish. What she go on and she knows a madman who can pop up on with anytime. People, lo and behold, she come out of the front of the car. Remember, a two-door car, and also the driver, which is the man that she a born a good man with, and then the passenger seat. She come out of the passenger seat. You see, she come out of the passenger seat. Me hold it here. She say, what call her man? Martin. Coming on one, you know. Me on and she say, Jesus Christ, Martin, no. When me look, Martin jumping at the car, right in at the front, and at the driver's seat. And Martin said to the driver, say, yo, don't move. Guess what the driver do? The driver move. Me said them start to speed down the road, people. So them a move. And guess what? Come on, big old Leland trucker come. And guess who in the back, people? Me I head on straight. Figure meet me there. Me say, Jesus, wanna let me out? Here a man to me. Hey, shut up your mouth, girl. Come here, man, turn on to me, you know. Me say, who on the camera, good girl? Me say, one piece of something. Me just have to figure out, because you know me was a lesbian. Me just have to figure out, say, look here, you're not going to make me dead over no man, I'm not take man. So, me no want to see my name in the newspaper if you come crash over no man, can't me a take, no. One piece of something, and I saw them open the door. And let me out, people. Mr. People, my breathe. Let me tell you something. You have to be careful of the friends I'm on have, because sometimes when you get yourself too involved in your friend and them relationship, it can cost your life. What good?
JY family, come on, man, come on. You can't reach so far and don't press the like button. Hit the bell icon to be notified. And this is the channel you need to subscribe to, that you didn't know you need to subscribe to. Do the right thing, man.
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there, yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana. Under the tree with a glass of